Hey, so we're given this problem and they want us to find the range of our answer and give it an interval notation. All right. So our function says f of t is equal to 6t plus 6 over negative t minus 4. All right. And we want to find our range. So our range is worried about the y-axis. All right. So if this is our like axes, our x and y axis, we have this function is going to look something like this. It's going to look like the 1 over x graph. All right. With maybe like it shifted to the left or to the right or up or down. Well, we need to figure out whether or not it shifted up or down. So we need to find our horizontal asymptote because that's the only place where our y doesn't have a value. All right. So to find our horizontal asymptote, we look at our leading term. All right. Our leading term here is this t. They're understood to the 1 power. And if we want to find our horizontal asymptote, we look at their coefficients. So our horizontal asymptote is the coefficients of our leading terms. So y equals 6 over negative 1, which is negative 6. All right. So our horizontal asymptote, this graph that I've drawn here isn't correct anymore because our horizontal asymptote is at negative 6. So at negative 6 here, we're going to have a dotted line that our function approaches but never touches. So it'll look something like this, if I'm not mistaken. It'll look something like this. Our vertical asymptote is at negative 4 because of our denominator here. But we're not worried about our vertical asymptote. We're only worried about our horizontal asymptote. So for our y values, we have a y value for everything except negative 6. So our range goes from negative infinity all the way up to negative 6, jumps over negative 6, and continues on to infinity. And that would be our answer.